Instagram has a cool feature called Vanish Mode. The feature was added to provide Snapchat-like conversations on Instagram, but a lot of people are confused about it. They don't know how to enable it. If they mistakenly enable it, they find it hard to disable it. So today I'm gonna explain Instagram's Vanish Mode and how to use it. Vanish Mode on Instagram is a feature that allows users to send disappearing messages in Instagram Direct. Messages disappear after they were viewed and recipient leaves the chat. If someone takes a screenshot of photo or messages sent in Vanish Mode, Instagram will notify about it. So it is an interesting feature for having private conversations. To enable Vanish Mode in chat, just swipe up in the chat window. Now you can send and receive disappearing messages. To disable Vanish Mode, swipe up in the chat window again. You are now back in regular messaging. That's how easy it is to enable or disable Vanish Mode on Instagram. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.